Hello there, 8th graders. These are the instructions for Civil War Project number 5. The Civil War is our big first unit for this year, or this semester. And you guys have been doing a really great job on the projects, so thank you. I appreciate the work you're putting into them. This project, Civil War Project number 5, is designed to be a kind of virtual tour. I know you've been doing a lot of reading in Odysseyware, and that is the primary text that we need to use. So I set this project up as one in which I want you to see instead of read. So you'll obviously click on it in Google Classroom. Obviously you want to watch the video first, which you're doing. And so really this assignment comes down to you viewing a total of 6 videos. And all of the videos are less than 10 minutes long. So the entirety of this assignment should take you, less than an hour, which is how most of these projects are designed. So the first thing you'll do is there are 2 Edpuzzle videos. You know how to do Edpuzzle already, but you'll watch the videos, answer the questions that are in there. It gives you a grade based on what you answer for the questions. It also gives you a grade based on the completion of the video. So please make sure you let the video play all the way to the end, because the program actually deducts points from you if you don't do that. So you'll watch the first one. This is one that's like an overview of the Civil War. And then the second one you're going to watch is one on the role of Black soldiers in the Union Army, which is a really important part of learning about the Civil War. So I want you to watch those 2 videos first. Everyone's going to start with those. Then you are going to do a virtual tour where you get to choose the other things that you get to do. So this here is the Google Doc. This is the instructions. So for those of you who want to read the instructions, you can use that. But you'll open this one here that says Battles of the Civil War. It is a Google Doc. It will make one for yourself. And you obviously can read the instructions yourself. You don't need me to do that. Although I did give you a little cheat sheet here for the 2 sides of the war, which hopefully by now you know, but just in case. And then you're going to click on this link right here. It is a Google site. That same Google site is also linked right here on Google Classroom. So you can always get to it that way as well. But you will go to the Google site. And here in a minute, I'll show it to you. And then from there, you are going to choose your 4 other video resources. It's important that you know that the assignment is based off of a virtual tour. I know some of you love to read and do research, but a lot of you don't. And I'd really like for you to use this as an opportunity to watch things about the war, to actually see it. So please do not just fill this table in with copy and pasted statistics that you get off some website about the battle. That's not really what I want you to do. That's not really how you learn about it. That's just finding statistics. So you're going to go onto this site, and when you get to the site, you will scroll down. There's a map here if you want to use the map just as a reference. And then you get to choose out of these 9 major battles. There are way more than 9 battles, but these are the 9 big battles. You get to pick 4 of them. So let's say you decide you want to pick the Battle of Vicksburg. You click on Vicksburg. It's going to take you to this page. And then there are 2 videos. Every page has at least 2 videos. You do not need to watch them both. You get to pick which of the 2 you would like to watch. You watch the video, and then you will go back to the document, and you will write in here what you found, what you observed from the video. And as I said, the videos are all less than 10 minutes long. Some of them are only 2 or 3 minutes long. So you'll put in here where the name of the battle and where it took place, what state, and then you'll put any information that you found in the video that fits under when it happened, who was important about it, or particular things that kind of stuck out to you. Obviously, who won? Was it a Union or a Confederacy victory? And then over here in the last column, you put anything the video shared with you about why it was important. Why is this one of the big battles, as they call them? And you'll just write that over here. So you're just watching one video. Now, if you want to watch both videos because you really like Civil War videos, you can do that. Just it's only going to go in one row. All right, you're going to do 4 different battles. So you can watch 2 videos for 1 battle if you want, but it still only counts as 1 battle. And then you'll obviously go back and you can just hit the home button and it'll take you back, and then you pick whatever your second battle. So maybe for the second battle, you pick Antietam, all right, down in Maryland. I've been there. It's a really cool place. Again, you click on it. It's going to give you the videos. I also tried to, if I remembered, to put the YouTube links here in case this doesn't work, but it should work to play. And again, there's 2 videos. Take your pick. Watch them both or just watch one. Doesn't matter. All right, so you'll go through. You will complete 4 battles. All right, so pick your 4 battles, fill in your chart. I did put some other links on here. I know some of you really love like American history, especially Civil War history. This is a virtual reality site, which is pretty neat. I was playing around with it. You can like be down on the battlefield and stuff. So you might want to just play around with it. You have some time sometime. There's also some other videos and documentaries that I put in there that I thought some of you might find interesting. These are just optional, just something fun for you to do. All right, so you'll use this Google site. Please do not use other resources. I've kind of vetted these to make sure that they're of good quality. So you're going to pick your 4 battles. So over here, one, your second one, your third one, and your fourth one. And then all you do is turn this Google Doc in, and that will be it for Civil War Project number 5. So for this assignment, all you're watching is videos. You don't need to do any other research, just the 2 ed puzzles and then the 4 battles that you choose for your table. I hope you guys are having a great week. Keep up the good work. Let me know if you have any questions, problems. I'm happy to help. See ya.